What's up, guys? Shout out to Jason, which is starting an NFT collection. It's gonna be called Chanclas, and it's gonna look like we have backgrounds. We have this symbol top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. That's actually nice. We have the base of it. We have the toe guards. We have hats. And we have eyewear. So basically, I have a basic HTML10 that's going to be used later, which is a very basic ICO website that's going to be perfect for what we're trying to do, which is going to be an NFT on Base Network. I have basically, yeah, that's the original theme. I'm going to work on the UI here. And there's going to be a backend. The backend is mostly going to generate, or it's going to either generate and put to IPFS, or it's going to generate on the fly when you request it. I'm not sure yet. Technically, I think it should be generated once. Then the code can be put on Git, so it can be transparent on how it was generated. Like truly random. I mean, truly random. Yeah, yeah. We can even add randomness from the user too. That's a good point. Yeah. So basically, I want to make a backend that's gonna generate not all the possibilities, but um, that's gonna generate that's gonna be able to output some NFTs. Generate on the fly, different grade. That's not for now. Oh, I'm gonna put that, but that's not for now. Shit, there's something in my keyboard. That's bad. Okay. So I want to focus on generating on the fly. I am developing an NFT ERC 721 on Base Network. I use Solidity, Truffle, and a simple HTML mobile responsive theme. We will later work on the UI. For now, I want to focus on the NFT graphic generation. I either want to use Python or Node.js. I'm not sure if I want to create an API now. I want to focus on the fact that a mint on ERC 721 should output create a random seed, and that seed be inputted in a script and return a determined combination of elements. Guess that goal is to let user mint without reveal, then at some point reveal up to what's minted. I understand we cannot release the generation code until mint is not done to prevent cheating. which in that case having specific display or layers that are more rare. The only condition, did I say the IPFS? Yeah. Determine combination of element. Also meant without reveal. I guess we would also upload on IPFS. The only condition I have is there is rarity of elements and there is some exceptions, layers that can't be together. Here is the layer structure. Directories. Here is the directories. So there is the wait 01 background 02 03 04 05 then 06 7 08 09. So 02 is quad u. UR. TL. DR. Sorry. Base. Base. Toe guards. Toe guards. Hats. And eyewears. I wonder if I can upload multiple images more than like sorry that's a background. I don't think I'll be able to. That was weird. Oh, okay. Base. Togar. Hat. I think it's gonna work actually. I join image, one image of each directory. Let's see what that do. Yeah. So randomly generate NFT combination based on rarity and constraint. Use deterministic approach so the same seed produce the same image. Yep. Allow minting to occur before assets are revealed. Use the random seed to generate metadata and upload assets to IPFS post reveal. Don't need everything. Yeah, we don't need the smart contract for now. Will be stored on chain. Yeah. Okay. I'll still go. So basically, the seed is generated. Using block timestamp is not recommended. Like this, the thing is, you can cheat the randomness of an Ethereum smart contract. Like if you will make a coin flip or a casino, and that would be the generation of the randomness, that would be easily exploitable. Either by figuring out the equation, because it's going to be revealed in the next block, or being by bribing a miner or being a miner. If the incentive are of not approving a block is bigger than, I think it changed because of the proof of stake, but still, like this was a thing when I started coding Solidity. So this is not the best randomness. That's why they say we could use a VFR, which is like Chainlink. But the thing is, it's not revealed yet. So you don't have any incentive to cheat to try to get a better seed because you don't know what is a good or a bad seed. Yeah. Yeah. So read image layer from directories, randomly select layer based on the seed and rarity, combine the selected layer into a single image, ensure specific layers cannot overlap based on inclusion. I'm inclined to use Python because that's what I do the most. But we're gonna focus on generating all the layers. Let's say there is 100 mint, we shall be able to launch to generate like 100 images from the 100 seed that were generated, and then we're gonna work on adding them to IPFS. I just want to warn you though, Jason. I won't be able to be there like more than 1 hour because I do work on the weekend. But I have something planned tonight. Not a big thing, but still, it's my friend's birthday. So we're gonna play with that. Start generating metadata. Yeah, that makes sense. Update the token URI in the smart contract. Uh, let's just focus on the image generation. And after IPFS, no need smart contract for now. There is one thing though. I don't want to update URI IPFS for each NFT. I remember seeing a project that was basically one IPFS folder with images for each token ID.jpg. Let's see. Can I reuse the same IPFS directory and let's say add more to it, since I might want to reveal only what's minted and rerun the script later? Because I mean, we don't want the user to understand the seed, the generation mechanism. Um, can you image the directory without replacing the entire folder? And change. A new CID for the updated directory. ID is the directory CID. I'm so confused. Mm-hmm. Define Python library. That's cool. IPFS HTTP client. That's perfect. Upload to IPFS. If you upload the updated. Okay. Get CID. Reference for token 1, for token 2, and so on. Generate there. Get a new CID. So I could basically update the directory CID each time I re-upload. I can do one transaction for a whole batch, right? Yeah, that makes sense. That does indeed make sense. Update your metadata. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna be able to change the directory that it point to IPFS, and at some point you could give ownership to that address when like because it's gonna change. I think basically what ChatGPT mean is the images that we output. Let's say we upload 100. Let's say there is 1,000 NFT. We upload 100. It's gonna generate a hash for the whole directory. We can then we can update that directory in the smart contract because we're gonna do other batches, and it's not gonna affect the previous mint. And I think we can do some history to prove that it's not uh, that there is no cheat in that or whatever. So I'm gonna create a new file. It's gonna be generate.p for Python. Also gonna do good practice and create a requirements point text. We're gonna put that here. We need pillow IPFS. Yep. Yep. So we're gonna spin up a terminal. I'm gonna create a virtual environment. This is basically it's gonna it's gonna prevent installing stuff in my old computer. Just gonna stay in that directory. What? I would like to copy this, but sorry. Yep. Let's do this. We gonna mask from the Git. I mean, the layer are already there, but it's not the end of the world. We can remove index tool. Just gonna mask this for now. Layers. Not the other one. Okay. So we are in the pend. We're gonna pip install our requirements. Oh no, that's not there. I kind of want the pend in the backend though. Yep. And we're gonna be able to just move here. Yep. Let's just do it this way. Proper. I'm confused. The PM is not gonna work. Okay, fuck that. It's not the end of the world. But good practice is that because if not, the system just gonna have multiple stuff that are actually in my Linux Ubuntu. There is no. I cannot do this. I cannot. What? I cannot use my default system Python installation to just install random shit. It's required to use a specific development environment. Okay, so that's all the layers. Yep. Yeah, I guess we're gonna need to define all the images here. The rarity of it, I think it's gonna be in percentage. And we can also add the inclusion. Rat cannot coexist with snake. I don't remember the exact exclusion that you wanted, but use token ID as the seed. That's not gonna happen. What we're gonna do is basically we're gonna use the seed from Ethereum. I mean, I guess, yeah, that's gonna make sense. Uh, generate images. Start token, end token. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, we're gonna try this just to see what it looked like because I'm curious, and we're gonna able to change, of course. I think it's gonna work well since the layers are all done properly together. You just need to overlay them, which is perfect. Just take into consideration the exclusion, the one or two exclusion that you give me, and I think it's gonna work. And then we're gonna one moment, and then we're gonna be able to generate the images. I should pause the video for now because I'm on the call. So see you later, guys. Bye bye.